Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart, your online retailer for pressure washers, cleaning equipment, parts and accessories. Here we have a fully stainless steel retro jet or drain jetting nozzle. This particular one has a quarter female thread, so that will screw onto any male quarter high pressure hose. This particular one has three rear facing nozzles, but they're actually fitted to the central unit, and that spins. So you can see the actual water that's jetted out of this nozzle will come out as a corkscrew effect, and that will make sure that it cleans the entire internal surface of your drain. So these are very effective. So this particular one is stainless steel. They're rated for use with a pressure washer from 100 bar up to 280 bars, and you can use it on an industrial pressure washer up to 36 litres per minute. So that's the stainless steel rotary drain cleaning nozzle from Kiam.